This is the way to my cottage, to my room. So much of greenery all around, and I just stepped out from the front desk, from the reception area, and as you can see, we are all surrounded by this lovely greenery and beautiful sounds from all the birds. So lush green all around, as is the speciality of all Club Mahindra properties. Literally, you are in the midst of all these trees, and I need to go that way. As I was saying some time back, the entire property is very well looked after, very well maintained. The housekeeping, the property maintenance, the front desk, I think the entire staff has been very polite. I've been to lots of Club Mahindra properties earlier, especially down south. I live in Bangalore, and I think almost all the properties in South India I've already covered, and I need to go to northeast, especially towards Sikkim, where I've never been. The Club Mahindra property I'm talking about, and I need to go over there. And that's the entrance. My cottage is on the first floor. As you can see, the number is clearly marked. My cottage number is 215. Similarly, the entire property is marked with numbers and surrounded by lush green. It's like you are almost living in a jungle. It's a peaceful place, and I'm just steps away from the Pondicherry beach. If I forgot to mention, Club Mahindra has its own private beach where I'll be going in some time. I've been to this property about a couple of years back, but I never made a vlog out of it. So hopefully I'll be sharing it today. So the rooms that we've got is quite spacious. It's very neat and clean. What we've got is the one BR, one bedroom, as they say in Club Mahindra. This is the bed. It's sufficient enough for two people, and if you've got one kid as well. If you have two kids, you need to take an extra bedding, which will be charged extra. That was the entry of the room, and over there on the left hand side there will be the bathrooms. Let me show you the balcony. So this is the balcony that I've got in my cottage. Complete green view, lots of birds around, and I also heard quite a few peacocks in the morning. In this property, not many rooms are there which are so-called beach facing, but all the area is cordoned off with lots of greenery, lots of trees all around. You will hear birds. Very peaceful, very neat and clean, well maintained property by Club Mahindra. This is the balcony view that I have, and that's the exit from my apartment, the cottage that I've got, towards beach as well as towards the front desk, the reception area.